Hello guys. First of all, a very good morning to all of you. This is the most important current affairs session for 8 November 2019. And you know guys, one top 10 GK everyday session is being started, and the link for which I am giving in the description below. There every day you will find 10 important GK that will be very important for your upcoming APSc and UPSC and other government competitive examinations. So guys, do subscribe this channel and share with your friends, and one question will be asked at the end of the video for which you need to comment your answer. So watch this video till the end. Okay, so let's start today's session. First, 7 November is observed as National Cancer Awareness Day. Okay, next, the Union Minister Shri Thaawarchand Gehlot announced that the government is to establish sports training centers at 5 locations in the country. 5 locations. Okay. Next, the second international conference on sustainable water management was held in Pune on 6 November. And it was inaugurated by Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, the Union Minister of Jal Shakti. So, second international conference on sustainable water management held in Pune. Next, Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan has been re-elected as the president of UAE by the UAE Supreme Council. He has been elected for a 4th, 5th-year term. Okay, Khalifa. Now next, the central government has announced a fund of rupees 10,000 crore for the stalled real estate of housing projects across the country. The move aimed to boost the ailing of real estate sector. Okay, rupees 10,000 crore for real estate. Next, Sanjay Dhotre, the Union Minister of State for Human Resource Development, launched the Shala Darpan portal of Navodaya Vidyalayas Samiti, that is NVS. The portal will integrate all Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas with a common standard which includes around 636 schools and 2.67 million students. Next, International Chromium Development Association, that is ICDA, organized Chromium 2019 in New Delhi, and this meeting was addressed by the Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Steel, that is Shri Dharmendra Pradhan. The meeting will be held on 5 to 7 November 2019. Next, the US Space Agency reported that NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft had crossed the boundary that marks the edge of the Sun's realm and the start of the interstellar space. The name of the spacecraft is Voyager 2. Remember the name, Voyager 2. Okay. Next, Silver Jubilee celebration of the Guwahati Planetarium is to be held on November 9. Okay, so these are the top selected current affairs for today's session. Now coming to today's question from the last class, and today's question is the ADB, that is Asian Development Bank, is to provide how many $1 million loan to strengthen the power connectivity between southern and northern part of the Chennai-Kanyakumari Industrial Corridor, that is CKIC, in Tamil Nadu. Option A, $450 million loan. Option B, $451 million. Option C, $452 million. So option D, none of the above. So you need to comment your answer. And of course, I will respond to those comments. And guys, meet you tomorrow in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.